President of Khantali Mitra Mandal, Yoga Varga at YBP and HFS.
अपनी व्यस्तता के बाद भी कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित रहने के लिए आप सभी को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद।
Now we are bringing before you a semi-classical dance number. The act is choreographed by Shama Sharma.
One of the most important approaches to attain salvation is through complete devotion or bhakti. This is called bhakti yoga. This method does not need great intellectual capacity or great stamina to do different yogas or detachment. This devotion can be of several types depending upon the personality of the devotee. One of the most important is to be devoted to God, imagining Him as your sweetheart. This approach is called the Nayaka Bhava. The prime example of this approach is the devotion of the gopis of Vrindavan. They loved Krishna with all their heart. So let us look at it, how the gopis get ready for his arrival, how each one feels that Krishna is dancing with them alone, whereas he is with everyone. This dance does not pertain to any particular classical dance style. It's a tarana and so has no lyrics, but is an amalgamation of various ragas. The song is inspired by Indian classical forms, but is presented in a contemporary rock fashion. The predominant raga used is Malhar. Music is by Agam Band, courtesy Coke Studio.
ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಉದರದೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ಉದರದೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಉದರದೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ತಧೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ತಧೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ತಧೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ತಧೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ತಧೀಂ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ತಧೀಂ ತಧನರಿ ತೋಂ ತನನ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ತೋಂ ತನನ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ತೋಂ ತನನ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ತೋಂ ತನನ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಉದನ ಧೀಂ ತದನ ಧೀಂ ತನ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಉದನ ಧೀಂ ತದನ ಧೀಂ ತನ ಧಿರೆನಾ ಧೀಂ ತನೋದನೋ ತನೋ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ಧೀಂ ತನೋದನೋ ತನೋ ತಧಿರೆನಾ ಧೀಂ ತನೋದನೋ ತನೋ ತಧಿರೆನಾ
अप्रतिम प्रस्तुति। इस नृत्य की प्रस्तुति की थी अल्पना सेनी, अनुजा माउली, प्रिया चाफेकर, वैशाली पाठक, मधु महेश्वरी एंड श्यामा शर्मा।